Imagine you're watching your favorite show, and suddenly, the screen goes blank. Audio plays fine, but the video is missing. This is the crux of the issue we're tackling today. Specifically, we're looking at a Sinudyne model 20700 with a PM2 TV2K chassis. The problem lies in the video display, even though the audio remains unaffected. A swollen electrolytic capacitor, C360, was initially suspected and replaced, but the issue persists. This indicates a deeper problem that will unravel step by step. Understanding the underlying mechanisms and potential causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Let's dive into the technicalities and uncover the root cause of this video display failure. Understanding the root cause of your TV's video failure is crucial. Let's delve into three primary possibilities. First, a missing anode transformer, AT, can halt the flow of necessary voltage to the filament. Second, a burned-out kinescope, which is the TV's picture tube, can prevent video display. Third, cold solder joints on the filament line can disrupt the electrical connection. Each of these issues demands a different approach for resolution. By identifying the exact cause, you can apply the appropriate fix, whether it's replacing a component or resoldering connections. Remember, precise diagnosis leads to effective repair. Now, let's delve into the transformer of line, a critical component in your TV's operation. This transformer is responsible for stepping up the voltage to levels required by the picture tube. If the transformer isn't functioning correctly, you won't get the necessary high voltage for the picture tube to display images. To diagnose issues with the transformer, start by checking the primary and secondary windings for any signs of damage or wear. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and ensure there are no breaks in the circuit. Additionally, inspect the connections to the transformer for any loose or corroded terminals. Remember, a faulty transformer can cause a cascade of issues, so it's essential to verify its integrity before moving on to other components. The E-transformer, or the extra high-tension transformer, is critical in your TV's operation. It's responsible for generating the high voltage required for the picture tube to function. If this transformer isn't working correctly, you won't get a video signal. To diagnose, start by checking the primary and secondary windings for any signs of damage or wear. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. If there's no continuity, the windings are likely damaged. Next, examine the capacitors connected to the transformer. Look for any bulging or leaking, which are signs of a faulty capacitor. Replace any damaged components and retest the transformer. Remember, the E-transformer's health directly impacts your TV's ability to display video. To access the circuit schematic, navigate to the Download section of the forum. Look for the Other Topics drop-down menu, then click on Download Files. From there, select RDTV, VCR, etc., and proceed to Other Brands. Find the green arrow pointing downwards next to Taurus TV 2K. RAR, click it to download the file. Save it to your preferred location and extract it using WinRAR. Inside, you'll find the circuit schematic. This detailed diagram is crucial for diagnosing issues like the one we've been discussing. Remember, understanding the schematic allows you to trace the flow of electricity and identify where the fault lies. It's your roadmap to solving the problem. To test the high tension in your TV, you'll need a light bulb, specifically one from an iron. Place the bulb close to the line output transformer, right against the glass. If the bulb lights up, it indicates that the high tension is present. If it doesn't light up, you might be dealing with issues like a faulty transistor or other components. This quick test can help you identify whether the problem lies with the high tension or other parts of the circuit. Remember, this is a preliminary test, and further diagnosis may be required to pinpoint the exact issue. And here's the moment of truth. After systematically ruling out each potential issue, our user discovered the root cause. It wasn't a faulty component or a damaged circuit, it was a simple, yet elusive, false contact under a connector. This highlights the importance of thorough inspection and not overlooking the basics. Remember, Sometimes the solution is hidden in plain sight. This triumph underscores the value of persistence and methodical troubleshooting. If you found this deep dive helpful, consider subscribing for more in-depth, free education. Your support helps keep this channel thriving, bringing expert knowledge to those who need it most.